In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and edit multiple tabs in Google Sheets. If you work with spreadsheets that have lots of tabs, being able to select and manage several at once can save a ton of time. I'll show you the two ways to select multiple tabs and then how to apply changes to all of them in one go. First, let's select individual tabs that aren't next to each other. Hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and click each tab along the bottom of your sheet that you want to include. Keep holding the key as you click. Each tab you select will become highlighted so you can clearly see what's included. If you click a tab by mistake while still holding the key, click it again to deselect it. When you are done, release the key and your selection will stay active. Next, let's select a block of adjacent tabs. Click the first tab in the range, press and hold Shift. Then click the last tab you want. Everything between the first and last tab will be selected automatically. This is perfect when you are dealing with a series like monthly tabs from January through June. If you need to start over, just click any single tab once to clear the selection and begin again. With your tabs selected, you can apply changes to all of them at the same time. Right-click on one of the highlighted tabs to open the context menu. Any action you choose from this menu will apply to every selected tab together, which makes bulk organizing fast and consistent. Choose Change Color to quickly group related tabs visually. Pick a color, and all selected tabs will update at once, making sections of your workbook much easier to scan. Use Delete or Duplicate when you need to remove or copy multiple tabs in a single step. Delete will permanently remove the selected tabs after a confirmation, while Duplicate creates identical copies placed near the originals, which is great for templating and versioning. Select Hide Sheets to clean up your view without deleting anything. This tucks the selected tabs out of sight so you can focus on what matters right now, while keeping the data intact for later. Finally, choose Move to rearrange the order of the selected tabs together. They'll shift as a group, so related sheets stay side by side in the exact order you want. That's it. Thanks for watching.